after 26 hours of bus, we're finally here!
The fucking rainbow!
Niagara Falls are so great, but these are amazing, gorgeous. I don't know.
So we are here actually to take a shower because we haven't doing it for 26 hours. So let's go, Katia. You got the conditioner, I got the shampoo. I think we can go. All right.
Ciao a tutti.
Alright, so the Cataratas of Iguazu are the waterfalls of Iguazu. Basically, they are situated between Brazil, Argentina and Paraguay.
Argentina, Brazil!
Now we are supposed to say something very deep and very amazing. And me, I have nothing to say. What about you?
No.
Enjoy nature. It's great and it's more fun than Disney World. Adiós, Raquel!
Such a beautiful day, and now is the turn of Cecilia.
Angela!